Do you want to know the hidden secret to getting kids excited about gardening? Don't tell them it's gardening. Tell them it's a mission. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're turning an ordinary garden day into an adventure because the secret to getting kids excited about gardening isn't forcing them, it's making feel like a game. And yes, it might get messy. The hidden secret is ownership. When kids feel like the garden is theirs, everything changes. They choose the plants, make the mess, and watch their work grow. Let them choose what to plant. Kids don't get excited about what you like, they get excited about what they pick. Turn gardening into a mission. For example, challenge your kid to grow the tallest sunflowers in the neighborhood. Here's another secret. Embrace the mess. Don't fight the mess because the mess is where the fun lies. When kids see the results, they feel proud. That pride brings them back every day. At that moment right there, that's why gardening sticks. So, the hidden secret isn't really about plants. It's about giving kids ownership, adventure, and freedom to explore. If you want your kids excited about gardening, make it their garden, not your chore list, and watch the magic happen. Thanks for hanging out with us today. If you want more family garden adventures, hit subscribe, like this video, and tell us in the comments what your kids would plant first. Thanks for watching. See you next time. God bless.